Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of disabling comments on your Facebook posts. Now let's dive into the step to disable comments on your Facebook post. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, the process is quite similar. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or head to facebook.com on your computer. Once you're in, locate the post where you want to disable comments. If needed, create a new post. Now find the three dots in the top right corner of the post and click on it. Ensure that the post is set to public to enable the comments on this post. Once done, and select who can comment on this post. Next, click the profile and pages you mentioned. Make sure that you don't mention anybody so no one can comment on this post. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.